Hey everybody, how's it all going? Hope you're all doing well. Here is another build that I was trying to get done. Started on the finish in February. And just about done on it. I'm waiting for the front and rear grille to dechrome. And I'm going to use my aluminum spray that would actually match this. It will also match the other Echo 1A for Ghostbusters 2. It'll match that, so that way they kind of resemble the same. Excuse me. Certain things like these I actually painted at the same time, so that way the colors match, so that's why it's not too much of a shock. So I end up doing that. The top rack is quite different from, movie to movie. The second movie they added a lot of stuff up on top, made that car super top heavy and all that, so it was actually rolling around when they were making them crazy turns. So on this one, all I have to do is the front and rear bumper, the big siren. I got to paint all the door handles in that, and I have to paint these lights. I can't remember what color they are. I'll have to look at movie images. And I have to do the interior. You really can't see it super well through this window. So I don't know how much I'm going to go. The other one I did a lot of. This one I'll probably do a lot less. I'm gonna do this antenna. This looks awful. The other one did snap on me, but I was going to do it anyhow. I'm gonna do the same thing as I did in the last one. I'm gonna break it off here, drill a little hole in here, and then do a wire and put that ball on the end of the wire. And the other one I didn't glue it, but I think this one I might do the bullwhip and glue it there because of that. And if you ever watch the movie and they're driving around, watch this antenna when they're making that turn. That thing whips out. I guess it's probably about 15 foot, because it's not, they overdid it with it. It whips off to the side like 10 to 15 foot. I could imagine if you're a person around there, you probably get a big black welt or red welt across the face or arm, wherever that thing hits you, because that thing is slinging all over the place in the movie. So, a lot less decals. There's only 3 decals in this. I do have a license plate on both ends. Once the bumpers get stripped and get painted up, I'll end up putting those on there as well, so that way it goes with it. But this one is almost getting done. I probably will have 3 of these builds, 3 of the finishing up builds done, all in probably the same day. They're all right near each other. I'm working on them all at the same time. Trying to get into some newer builds at the same time, but I really like to get these done and get them out of the way, clean up some space, free up some space for new ones, because you know how the addiction is. I gotta have more. And so let me know how I'm doing so far, what you guys think. And when this one is done, I will have the video with both of them in it, so that way you guys can kind of see the comparison. A lot of people didn't realize that in both movies the cars were quite different. A lot of upgrades in the second one, but they really didn't show the car a whole hell of a lot in the movies. But what they did show was quite a bit different. The funny thing about this one was a snap kit. You still have to use glue on it, because some of the snap things did not want to snap in, and these included. So, but till next time, you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.